Someone at a party asks you, "What do you do?" You reply, "I work with data." Does that help them? Data roles are a mystery. Most people don't understand the value and variety of positions in the data analysis process. Let's demystify data analysis roles and responsibilities in this video by exploring various roles and describing how they contribute to the success of data-driven organizations. You'll also learn about the importance of each role and how roles collaborate. The data analysis roles and responsibilities that you'll explore are data engineer, data analyst, data scientist, database administrator, data architect, and business intelligence analyst, commonly called BI analyst. To understand a data engineer's role, imagine you're creating a garden. The data engineer is like the person who designs and constructs the irrigation system, delivering water to each plant. They build and maintain the data infrastructure, including designing, constructing, and integrating data pipelines. They clean, pre-process, and transform raw data into a format that can be used by data analysts and data scientists. In our gardening analogy, the data analyst is like the gardener, who meticulously observes the growth of each plant and makes recommendations for improvement. Data analysts examine data sets to identify trends, patterns, and insights to inform decision-making. They use various tools and techniques to visualize and present data, making it easily digestible for stakeholders. Data analysts work closely with other team members to align their analysis with business goals and objectives. Think of a data scientist as a botanist, using their plant biology knowledge to optimize the growth and health of the garden. They dive deeper into the data to create predictive models using machine learning algorithms and statistical techniques. They seek to identify hidden patterns and correlations that help organizations make better data-driven decisions. Data scientists often work closely with data analysts, sharing insights and collaborating on projects to maximize the value of the data. After all that gardening, you'll want to safeguard the security and overall health of the garden. That's like the role of a database administrator, or DBA. Database administrators work on the maintenance, performance, and security of an organization's databases. They ensure data is stored and retrieved efficiently, implemented backup and recovery strategies, and manage user access. DBAs play a crucial role in keeping data safe and accessible to those who need it. To ensure a great-looking garden, a landscape architect designs the garden layout to maximize aesthetics and functionality. In a similar fashion, a data architect creates the blueprint for an organization's data management systems. They design data models, establish database structures, and create strategies for data storage, integration, and retrieval. Data architects collaborate with other data professionals to align their designs with business needs and support the objectives of data analysts and scientists. The business intelligence, or BI analyst, is like the garden consultant who helps you make informed decisions about the type of plants to grow, where to place them, and how to care for them based on data and analysis. BI analysts transform data into actionable insights that drive business growth and improve decision-making. They work closely with data analysts and data scientists to extract meaningful insights from complex data sets, focusing on key performance indicators and using various BI tools to visualize and present data to stakeholders. BI analysts also collaborate with business leaders to understand their goals and objectives, ensuring that their analysis is relevant and impactful. So, the next time you're at a party and someone asks about your role, what will you say? You should be able to highlight the importance and variety of data analysis positions. You could discuss the data engineer, who is responsible for building and maintaining the data infrastructure, the data analyst, who identifies trends, patterns, and insights in the data, the data scientist, who creates predictive models to optimize decision-making, the database administrator, who ensures the security and performance of databases, the data architect, who designs the blueprint for data management systems, and the business intelligence analyst, who transforms data into actionable insights for decision makers. Your party friends will then understand what each role does in the data analysis process, providing organizations with the information they need to make informed, data-driven decisions.